Oh, hello everybody, long time no see. I hope you're all well. Yeah, we're pretty good here. And guess who's back? Yep, Jugs is back from his little bit of welding. Well, it wasn't so much a little bit of welding as a restoration. I didn't film it, but Neil took some photos while I was doing the work, and I'm going to put those on after this, if I can get them off WhatsApp. Anyway, we'll just have a quick look. Right, that's what we look like now. Now if you remember, there's a big hole there. Oh, that's gone. And the sill was shot, that was gone. We've been welding around there. Right, that little bit down there's been done. It's under here. Remember that little bit of glass fibre I put on? Well, that went by the board. The welding's come up to there. You'll see that in the photos. Right, it wasn't cheap, but it's worth every penny. The work is done on it, and what you'll see in the photos, it's worth it. Right, so, but it needs a wash. Oh, you might have noticed as well at the end I put a smoke test on. He had a smoke tester which he put inside, and we watched all the smoke come out. Well, he did watch the smoke come out of the gaps. So now it's cool and it looks good, but it makes a mess. So I've had to wash the interior, and now we're going to go to the car wash and get the exterior done. Yeah, I know. So we're going to, I haven't put the carpets back yet. I'm going to wait till we've been to the car wash, and then we'll swill out when we come back. I'm hoping for the best here, but we'll see. And now I've still got a problem on the driver's side, but I'm going to have to glass that properly. Yeah, so that's where we are at the moment. So anyway, he's back. Everybody's happy. I've had the 2 weeks off from disco ownership. It's been a bit weird, to be honest. There's an empty space in the driveway. It's strange. Then you get used to it. Then it comes back, and flipping heck, there's no room in drive again. Anyway, never mind all that. We're off to oh, we're going to the car wash. Okay, it'll be one of those places full of foreign people running around with leathers and spray guns. Wash spray guns. Right, so we'll see you in a bit. And we're back in the room. Hi everybody again. Right, okay, happy to report. I'm not sure what that is. Passenger side is dry. I've had a feel up here at the sound deadening, which is behind the heater, which was wet through before, and is now quite dry and crusty. Nothing came through this side whatsoever, so I'm going to put the carpet back. That would be nice, wouldn't it? Mind you, it's an awful lot noisier when there's a hole in the floor and you're driving down to the garage to get it fixed. It's just looks like being in a Defender, I suppose. There is a tiny drop in here, and I'm not sure if it's coming in through the bung. There's a rubber bung where the wires come through, or further up. So I'm going to have to chase that down. I've painted the floor here as well. I've got some rust inhibitor on. I've used Hammerite Cure Rust. That stuff, painted it on, it goes black, and then paint it over the top with, in my case, ordinary Hammerite. But I've emptied the tin. Anyway, that's what I use. I'm not endorsing it, but that's what I've used, and so far it seems to be okay. Right, well, that's okay. I'm good, I'm happy with that. We've had a good ride out. Not far, but far enough. Big shout out to Neil for doing all the hard work and all the graft and all the thanks is well deserved. We've had the seat out, we've had the doors off, we've had the wing off, we've had his eye out, we've had the blooming bonnet off. It's been a restoration. It's the kind of thing you see in Land Rover Owners International magazine, where I've had my series for about 500 years and I've just had it rebuilt. And it's a bit similar to that that's been happening here. That's just on the passenger side. Just wait till we get to the driver's side. Yeah. Okay. Big shout out to Shortland Exploring. If you want to check him out, he does some D2 stuff. He's had a Storm Tuning 2 remap, I believe. Personally, I think that might be responsible for his cooling hoses, automatic gearbox cooling hoses blowing out. Don't know. That's just me. That's just a thing. All the extra power. I don't know. What do I know? I'm flipping out. I've just got an old Discovery. It's happy to have him back. I have to say it's been lovely. The aircon's nice. The AC is working well. There's trim all over the place. There's loose screws. I'll never find screws again. Seats need a clean. But it's been lovely. We've had a ride out. It's been chuffing great. And the old manual versus automatic argument, I'd go with automatic every time. It's just so much easier. I've had both now, and the manual was such a pain because it's gearing so low. It's good for towing, but you're changing gear all the time. Well, at least that's what it seems like. And the clutch is heavy, and then you've got your problems with the clutch and the flywheel. So I'd go with automatic. But I think he put some new coolant or some new transmission cooling hoses on. So if you want to pop over to Shortland Exploring and have a look and see what he's been doing. Yeah, so that's great. I'm happy now. Well, I'm going to have a clean up. Today's Sunday. Jugs actually came home on Friday, but I've been so busy with the blooming back garden and all the new decking. She's not listening, it's okay. And she never watches this. I've just had time for nothing, so yesterday was chaos. Today, I've still got to tidy up. You know, all the stuff that you find when you tidy out a corner. There's blooming tons of it. I'm going to have to sort it out, like old turbos and all automotive stuff, which you've forgotten all about. And discs and calipers and all that kind of thing. No? Is that just me? Okay. So you keep yours in your front room, dear? Okay, I've done that as well. Anyway, never mind me. You carry on with what you're doing. I'm going to finish my tea, give these back seats a wesh, and put the carpets back in on the passenger side. The passenger side is good. Driver's side, still got to explore where this little dribble's coming. It's not a lot. It's enough to be annoying, and it's enough to wet the carpets, and it's enough to rust the floor through. And that we can't do with. No. You just check out these pictures which follow. I take my hat off. It's awesome. Is that all wiring out? Is that all the ECUs out? He's had his eye out. He's had his wing off. Wow. Just wow. I admire somebody who can just get in and rip stuff out. I'm always frightened of not putting it back together again properly. Where's this bit come from? Oh no. Anyway, that's just me. So you carry on with what you're doing. It's been nice to see you again. Look after yourselves, don't get lost or squashed, and I'll see you in a bit.